All the way through, please, all the way through.
We're going to get very cozy with one another. I'm so glad that desperately to find our missing Hippogriff sleeping. She fled into the forest, and I fear that she may be in danger. Are you with me?
Yeah!
Have your wands at the ready. In order to see where we are going, we must light the way. We should cast the Lumen spell, that's the trick, eh? So on the count of 3, we will cast Lumen. Ready? 1, 2, 3, Lumen! Very good, very good. Now remember, that danger lies before you, while safety lies behind. Yes? So you need to stick with me. Remain alert. Follow me. Come through, come through. There we are.
Get your ass ready.
Good stuff. You shall need it. Let's try not to get lost in the forest.
They don't go anywhere else. So, fill in everyone. Here, these pesky pixies have disrupted the monster of the monsters. So, while I am calming the monster of the monsters, I shall need you all to stop the pixies by casting the freezing spell, Immovulus. Right? On the count of 3, point your wand or your energy at the pixies and cast Immovulus. Ready? 1, 2, 3, Immovulus! Very good! Excellent form, everyone. Now, very good, that's sorted. I shall inform Filch of this next, but we need to press on. Sleeping is over. So, keep your wands at the ready and your wings about you. Follow me, everyone. Well, you need to press on. 5 feet, mate. Follow me. It was indeed, yes. Commander to discourage violent behavior. Don't leave me hanging.
visitors are not welcome here, especially those who cast such loud spells.
We are searching for a hippogriff named Fleetwing. Have you seen her?
The stars speak, but I do not trust your kind. Perhaps.
Oh, that's her calling. She can't be far.
Very well. Finish, then leave.
You have my word. Right, everyone. Business. Come. 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 You're not moving like he needs business. He has friends, you know. They travel in herds and us. And he is actually not very large for a centaur. He's not large for a centaur. So there are much larger ones. I know. All right. All right, everyone. This way. Very good.
Any empty spaces, folks. And push forward. We're all here to press together.
Please fill in all the way you, everyone. I know it's very tight space, but I can need all of them. Yes. Closer. Oh no. Devil's snare. It grabs hold and never lets go. This large, Fleetwing may be caught on the other side. We need to find a way through. Let's see here. Devil's snare, deadly fun, salts in the sun. Yes, exactly. Lumos Soler, sunlight charm. Yes, on the count of 3, we shall all cast Lumos Soler. Ready? Nobody's ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, Lumos Soler. Very good, everyone. Very good. Carefully now. Please you come through first, my darling. And mind you, don't come careful. If they come through, Fleetwing is trapped in these ruins. I cannot do this alone. I need all your help to free her. So, stand your ground. And on the count of 3, we shall cast Lumos Solemn again. Alright? Point your wands at the devil's snare. And ready? 1, 2, 3, Lumos Solemn! Everyone, the proper way to greet a hippogriff is to bow, so we must bow. Fleetwing, you must fly back to the paddock. Yes, I shall escort this group back to Hogwarts. Congratulations, everyone. Well done. Follow me. I am awarding 10 points to everyone. Yes, you're welcome. Well done, everyone. Carefully now. Back to Hogwarts.